Toilet paper may be making you sick. Doctors recommend you stop using them.
Before we begin, do us a favor and click that like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be inspired by these inspiring stories every day.
Believe it or not, doctors have a lot of opinions when it comes to toilet paper. This household item can be found at nearly every home in America, but some experts question the benefits of these bathroom staples, from which way you hang it to whether you should even use toilet rolls. For decades, people have been debating about which way you should hang toilet paper, and according to experts, there's only one right way. A 2011 study by the University of Colorado discovered that toilet paper hung under has a higher chance of making you sick. The reason why this happens is because someone's hands may come in contact with the top of the toilet paper as they're trying to rip out the amount they need, which may end up on your hands later. And if you don't wash your hands properly, there's a chance you can get infected with E. coli or come in contact with other nasty bacteria. Experts also warn that toilet paper should never be placed on toilet seats in public bathrooms. You'd think that by doing so, the toilet seat would be more hygienic, but the toilet paper only absorbs the nasty bacteria on the seat and transfers it to your body. This may increase your chance of getting a staph infection, like MRSA. Some medical professionals think it's best to just ditch toilet paper for good. Bidets, or as some like to call them, Bumguns, is a fixture that washes the area that your toilet paper is meant to clean. Many argue that water is the most effective way to clean ourselves because wiping down these areas with toilet paper only spreads around feces. When these areas go uncleaned, we're more at risk of urinary tract infections, hemorrhoids, and anal fissures, which can turn into serious health risks. I find it rather baffling that millions of people are walking around with dirty anuses while thinking they're clean. Rose George, author of The Big Necessity, The Unmentionable World of Human Waste and Why It Matters, told Tonic, "If you don't have a bidet, don't fret. Experts suggest using baby wipes instead of toilet paper. They argue that these wipes are much better at sanitizing those areas down there. But make sure you don't flush the wipe down the toilet. While these non-woven fabrics will make their way down, eventually they'll block up the plumbing in your home or wreak havoc in a treatment plant. Just take a look at what happened to the sewage system in Charleston, South Carolina." The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories, stories that resonate with you. And so we started JoJo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to JoJo Stories, jojostories.com.